Ankawa is an Iraqi town of about 20,000 people. It's a part of Erbil Governorate in Iraqi Kurdistan, northern Iraq. This town is divided to Assyrian Chaldean, comprising mostly of them are from Chaldean Catholic Church and the Church of the East. Ankawa is far from Erbil, about 4 kilometers. Ankawa was named in the centuries old as Amka, then Amko. After that, Ankawa. Finally, they decided to name it as Ankawa. The name of the town is written in the books of different historical books. The name of the book called Hebrew, A Brief History of Countries, where the writer says, Mongolian troops attacked the region of Erbil on Sunday, July, and went to some villages. Also, Ankawa was one of these villages. There is another book, which is Assyrian Christian, written by Jean Christopher in France, where it states by stage to change the name of the town in different countries. Ankawa is a beautiful town that has remained to home many of the same Chaldean since the formation. They helped this town to grow and retain its history. Ankawa before was a small city, but it's changed now to a modern city because of the immigration that came from Baghdad and Mosul. Here is some example of houses in Ankawa. We all know that we have lots of schools and parks. Also, we have lots of shops in Ankawa. This is the most popular parks in Ankawa. And some of shops. The most popular thing, which is called Danka in Assyrian language. We have in 4 languages, in Arabic and Kurdish, also in English. This is the Arabic one. And the Kurdish one. This is what I was talking about, which is called Denga, and the Arabic one. And finally, in English, they translated Denga to 4 languages, but because it's a popular thing that we have it in Ankawa. They use it before for many things. Also, we have lots of church in Ankawa. This is the oldest one, St. George's Church. This church is regarded as one of the oldest churches in Erbil and very old, and there is a stone in the church. It shows that this church was reconstructed in 816 AD, which indicates that the church is older than this date. Church is now known for 700 worshippers. And here's the other church. Also, we have lots of church in Ankawa. This is the old